Hey everybody, today was a Nike Air Jordan drop date, February 24th, 2018. And it was a pretty popular drop date because these shoes were sold out faster than the last cement. So pretty exciting, and it is a really nice quality shoe. So we're going to do a unboxing and a 1 feet today. And just kind of give you a look at what we got. Picked them up actually at Foot Locker. And here's the box, red and black. So again, these are the Air Jordan Retro 1 OG, and they also call them High. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. It's a technical name. Okay, so nice red and black box, stickers. So let's open them up and see what we got. Brand new. This is regular, just the shoe white paper basically comes in. So we'll get it out of here. And first thing I noticed that, I don't know, I'm like a new shoe smell connoisseur, whatever you want to call it, but they smell really good. It's it must be the leather. These are supposed to have very high quality leather, but I don't know, it has a really nice enticing new shoe smell to it. A really soft leather versus a hard, stiff leather. So, you know, for comfort, that's what you want. Really nice soft. The toe feels more like it's kind of like a nylon-y, but really cushioned. I want to flip that around too so we can get a shot both angles. Let me see if we can. And it's a really nice wide area for, you know, comfort-wise to protect you from the laces. And then, so plenty of length on the shoe, you know, the strings there. Okay, and then I've got I don't exactly know what the M was called, but you see that a lot on the high top. And the base is all red. And perforation-wise, it's just mostly the, of course they're called, I probably should have said this earlier, they're called Bredtoe, B-R-E-D, like black and red toe. So you have the black and then the red, and then the perforations are mostly in the red area. Not a whole lot of perforations anywhere else on the shoe. Nice stitching. And it's got a couple, you know, a couple holes up top for your releasing. Really nice. I kind of like too the little ziggy-zaggy pattern on the side there. Gives it some dynamic. So we're going to do a 1 feet next.